The object detection rule is used to detect people or objects moving into a region of interest. To configure this rule, log into the Illustra Web Gui using the default username and password admin. Select Setup on the web user interface and navigate to Event Actions. Select Analytics and select the AI Object Classification tab. Select the Enable AI Object Classification checkbox to enable AI Object Classification on the camera itself. And you do have the option to select the Highlight Detections checkbox, which will create a visual representation on the camera view. Next, select New Rule and type a rule name for your rule definition in the field provided. Select Default from the Action drop-down menu. This fault action will be activated when the parameters of the analytic rule are met. Select the rule type from the Rule Type drop-down menu and select the object type from the Object Class drop-down menu. Using the drawing tools on the right-hand side, select your region of interest from within the camera view. Use the overlap slider to increase or decrease the amount of a detected object that must be in the region of interest before the alarm is triggered. The minimum confidence slider is used to increase or decrease the percentage of confidence at which the rule will be triggered per object class. Once the rule definitions have been defined, select Save to save your changes. To see these alarms and events, navigate to the event logs, and here you can see that our object detection rule has been triggered.